Hola amigos, hoy estamos aquí en el Cree Beer Rockery Swamp. Esto es un sendero que hay por aquí en Naples, Florida.
What he's doing. Showing off. There was a huge gator in here just a little while ago. He jumped down off those barrel things, and we were watching this bird back here, and then all of a sudden, plop, and here he comes.
It was a big gator. There's
It
a
is
bird
big
right
one.
there.
Yeah, there's a bird right back there. You see him? Look in the back, straight back.
Ajá.
Heron.
The big bird.
Ajá.
Well, good, the alligator didn't eat him. Swimming back there to him.
Bueno, aquí tenemos esta ave aquí solitaria en medio del camino, un palo seco. Ya está llegando el verano ya fuerte secando la vegetación.